guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see about how to install Google Go in MeTV. Yeah, we can go to Aptide TV. They have updated a new app. It's a Google Go. Now just like same process, go to search bar and type Google Go. Click here to search. Let's see how it works. Here you can see Google Go. Let's click to install. Let's click to install. Now we'll click open. Now sign in with your email ID. Now click allow. You can see it's came. But one thing I want to tell, for accessing this app you need a wireless mouse, not TV remote. Let's take a wireless mouse. You can see for wireless mouse it's easy to use. You can access all the features like camera, translate, YouTube, that kind of stuff and all. You can see, for example, I click the YouTube. You can see it's coming. It works fine. For coming back you can use TV remote itself. And yes, that's all. And if you're having any doubt, means just ask him in the comment section. Definitely I will reply. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video and do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos. Bye.